How to fix camera black dot issue on iPhone. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're also facing such issue where your iPhone camera black dot is coming, so in that case what you might want to do is first thing, just remember that this might be most likely the hardware issue. So in software point of view, all we can do is just head over to our settings and simply scroll all the way down until you see the option called camera. So as you can see, there's a camera, just select it and simply scroll all the way down once again and make sure you have enabled this lens correction feature over here. So it might correct your lens if it's regarding any issue related to lens. And once you do that, just come over to general once again. And finally, click on this software update. So if this is related to the software, it might be fixed if you've update software update from over here. So once you do all of that, you can again come back to the same general section and simply scroll down and click on this transfer or reset iPhone and click on reset and try resetting your settings. So it might also fix your issue. So if it's still not fixing your issue, so in that case, you might have to visit the nearest Apple store or mobile store to contact tech support. So that is it for today, guys. I hope this video was informational. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.